how to buy official Apple token. So this token came under the symbol of Apple. Now the Apple, it just released their token right now. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. This token it's created 9 hours ago. As you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 100%, as good as main investment in a safe place. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. This token address is under the Solana network. Now open your French wallet for that. As you can see, click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet, of course. Now click here and paste the token on this. So this is our token. Click on it. Here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here and click on swap. And after that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Apple token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.